Welcome to Bright Home Lights, your go-to source for affordable, permanent LED lighting solutions, perfect for holidays, accent lighting, and year-round celebrations. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential product details to assist you in making an informed decision on your purchase and installation, whether you are a do-it-yourselfer or a professional installer. System components. Included with your Bright Home Lights purchase are components to get you set up. Please note that the specific package you choose may exclude certain items, such as a smart controller. Be sure to check the package details for a comprehensive understanding of what's included. The light tracks feature a two-piece system crafted from durable aluminum, featuring a powder-coated paint finish for both strength and lightweight convenience. In addition to our standard colors, select packages also provide the option for color matching. This means that the tracks can be custom painted to perfectly complement your chosen color scheme. Our lights boast 3 LED diodes in each puck with a dedicated white chip that can be independently controlled. Designed with longevity in mind, they are water and weather resistant for durability in various conditions. Additionally, we provide color temperature options for the white chip, offering both warm white and daylight choices. It's worth noting that our lights, being RGBW, red, green, blue, and white, allow for a seamless mix of colors to achieve your desired color temperature. The Bright Home Lights smart controller accompanying our system is available with either Wi-Fi connectivity, and select models even offer an Ethernet option. Designed for hassle-free setup, it's plug-and-play ready, allowing you to connect and start running your lights within seconds. Different models of the smart controller are available to cater to various package sizes, ensuring you have the right fit for your specific needs. The Power Injection T serves the crucial purpose of injecting power into the line of lights after connecting multiple units. Voltage drop occurs when a certain number of lights are connected, leading to diminished power for lights farther down the line. To overcome this, we strategically inject fresh power into the line, ensuring that all lights shine at their brightest potential. Pigtails are used in creating extension cables to a desired length. This enables you to customize the reach of your lights to the perfect distance required for your installation. Here is an example on how you would use the components. This scenario features a controller, tracks and lights, as well as an extension used to continue the lights in a different section. Note that the tracks and lights can be cut at any point to either end a connection and/or extend them to a different point. This scenario features a controller, tracks and lights, as well as power injection point, with additional power coming from the controller's included injection points. Extension cables are typically used to achieve this. Please visit the Help section on our website at www.brighthomelights.com/help for additional information and resources.